served. Meat is nice and tender. So are the carrots and the potatoes. And he's serving it with basmati rice. Let me give you a closer look. Now say the name of your curry.
Japanese beef curry.
Okay.
Beef, onions, 2 sliced onions, 1 grated apple, curry roux, soy sauce, rice vinegar, oil, potatoes, carrots, salt and pepper.
Where's salt and pepper? Okay, good. Alright. To season the beef. Salt. What else?
Pepper.
Black pepper. Okay. You have to let it marinate or just like that?
Season it and of course rub them together, rub the meat together.
Okay. There you go, that's salt and black pepper. And then he's going to sear it right in here. Okay, हमने बर्तन रख दिया ऊपर. The pot is here. Let's see. Try not to put too much shade on the pan so we can see what's going on. How much oil?
About 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of oil, and he's going to sear the beef, right?
Yes.
Okay.
In the medium heat.
Medium to low or
Yes.
medium to high?
Medium to high.
Medium to high. Okay. So he's going to heat up the pan with 2 tablespoons of to see if it's hot enough. Good. Alright, so he's going to add the meat to the pan, and he's going to sear the beef on both sides. Okay.
Takes about 5 minutes.
Do you want me to hold the pan for you? Okay. Too hot for him, so I'm holding it. And he's going to turn the beef. Hurry up, it up. Is it getting stuck to the bottom or not?
Yes.
Okay. So let's come a little bit closer. It has to get brown on both sides. Let's say on all sides.
Yes.
Okay.
Golden brown.
Okay, so what happens is when you serve the beef, you remember we added salt to it, so it's going to release a little bit of water, और ये थोड़ा सा पानी जो है उसको रिलीज करेगा. जब वो ड्राई हो जाएगा फिर हम उसको थोड़ा सा भून के ब्राउन कर लेंगे. वाटर जो है वाटर इज ड्राइड आउट. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स गोइंग टू गेट ब्राउन. Now you guys can see how it's turning golden brown. So that's the color we want in the curry, you know? Okay. ठीक है? Need to take out the beef now. Beef को हमने निकाल लिया उसमें से, और उसी के अंदर जो ड्रिपिंग्स हैं उसके अंदर हम बाकी चीज़ें अब ऐड करेंगे. तो बीफ को हम निकाल के रख देंगे. ये देखें बीफ का कलर कितना अच्छा आ गया. ये देखें, ठीक है? ओके. हमने ड्रिपिंग्स के अंदर वी आर एडिंग another tablespoon of oil. Okay, so this is where all the flavor is, and here comes onion. 2 onions, medium size, sliced. अपना हाथ पे चाट. All right. What comes next?
Onions go saute करना.
Where is the
Saute the onions.
Yeah, but I need something to hold this. Thank you. I'll hold it for you. You go ahead.
Yeah.
खुशबू भी अच्छी आ रही है और अनियंस जो हैं वो नाइस एंड सॉफ्ट हो गए. बीफ को देखें हमने वहाँ पे रखा हुआ है निकाल के. We put the beef on the side, and in the same drippings we sauteed the onions. And now, what is next?
Carrots.
Carrots, okay. And potatoes. There you go. Watch your hand, please. I don't want your hand to burn. Now, Pani, now we're going to add boiling water to it. That will...
It covers the vegetables.
Okay. Just enough to cover the vegetables. Alright. There you go.
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes.
This is around 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. We're using this organic rice vinegar, and we have the broth, chicken broth, and we have 1 crushed apple, and mushroom soy sauce, and those are the, what do you call those, sir?
This is karē roux.
Karē roux. Okay, that
ये वाला.
is basically the roux बनाई हुई है. ये जो ग्रेवी है, और वो ग्रेवी जो है वो जापानीज स्टाइल में है, तो वो उसके आपको चॉकलेट की तरह लग रही है, पर हम चॉकलेट नहीं डाल रहे हैं. टेबल स्पून ऑफ राइस विनेगर डाला है हमने उसमें. We added 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of
Soy sauce.
soy sauce. That's mushroom soy sauce, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's thick. This soy sauce is thick. And what is this?
Grated apple.
Grated apple. Okay. We can see what you're doing. Okay. Oh, nice color. And now
3 cups of chicken stock.
3 cups of chicken stock. Are you sure?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Stir.
Stir. And
Leave it to simmer for about 15 more minutes.
covered or without cover?
Cover.
The apple and the onions and everything get soft and come together. So right now you see the apple on the top. It's going to disappear, so we'll see you back in 15 minutes. Okay, here he's also soaking 2 cups of basmati rice, and he's going to boil the rice and serve the Japanese beef curry with this rice. Okay. Right, so this is time to add the meat. There you go. The seared meat goes in. This is 5 minutes, and we're gonna still let it simmer. Well, that's my son's specialty. Anytime we need to eat that Japanese beef curry, he's the one who makes it, and he makes it with boiled rice. So that's one yummy pot cooking over there. Oh, I think I forgot to introduce. This is my youngest one, Ansar. Say hi. All right, so today is his turn to cook, and that's how my kitchen looks like when I'm working here, especially when they're working here. So don't judge us. Thank you. I know if somebody's gonna pass judgments. All right. Check on the curry. All right.
Or 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Okay.
However much.
If you don't have problem with the sugar, then you can use
ये
brown sugar.
difference है पाकिस्तानी और जापानीज का. जापानीज वो मीठी है, sweet.
Acha. Okay. So he's telling me that the difference between our curry and Japanese curry is more sweet than spicy. Okay. So we forgot one ingredient is going in now. That's ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. अच्छा जी, ये जो ingredient है जो रह गया था वो अब डालने लगे हैं. ये है रू, बनी हुई ऑलरेडी, imported. ये गई अंदर. अब ये खुल जाएगी और इसको गाढ़ा करेगी. It's going to make the curry thick. डाल दो.
Mix.
और सारे स्पाइसेस इसके अंदर ऑलरेडी हैं, तो सारा फ्लेवर जो है वो इसी में से आ जाएगा. I think it has all the flavors in it because when we make the roux, we add all the spices like garam masala, black pepper, chili pepper, salt. Everything is in there, and curry powder too. So now all the flavor is going in, and it's going to get nice and thick.
After each piece,
Yeah,
mix
I'm
it a
trying
little
to
bit so that
catch it from here.
after each piece, mix it a little bit so that it melts inside.
Oh, okay. So you mix one piece at a time. Okay.
You keep mixing till it gets to a nice thickness.
All right. So it's ready, nice and thick. Let's dish it out for you. Don't mind the mess.
Nice dark texture.
Yep. The meat is perfectly cooked. So are the carrots and the potatoes. I see nice gravy, and it smells so good, guys. Smells amazing. Big shabash to the chef, my youngest son Ansar. There you go. Don't mind the mess. All right, there you go. That's it. I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay, let's have some rice, nice and garam. All right. Okay, so he's telling me this is how it's served. You have to have half plate of rice, and then you add the curry on the.
Add the curry on the side and a little bit on top of the rice.
Oh. Wow, looks nice.
So that the rice can sop up the curry inside.
Hey, show me some meat. He's making my plate, and he's being cheap on the meat. Now where? Little bit on the top. Okay. Making me hungry. Alright guys, dinner is served. Meat is nice and tender. So are the carrots and the potatoes. And he's serving it with basmati rice. Let me give you a closer look. Now say the name of your curry.
Japanese beef curry.
Okay. With?
White rice.
And this is how it's supposed to be served.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching. I will see you later with another recipe. Stay happy, healthy, and blessed. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.